Hello and welcome to another one in this series of tips and tricks on how to use Alibre. Now, have you ever wanted to revolve a profile, but not based on an existing axis, rather do it based on a center line that is already in Sketch, right? So use one of the lines that is in Sketch to uh, revolve a profile. Now that is possible in Alibre, and it's a very, very powerful tool because it saves you a lot of time making planes and you know geometry to reference so that you can make an axis and whatnot, right? So hugely, hugely powerful stuff here. I just want to fully define this sketch uh, because we're going to move it later on and see what happens. So this is the tool. It's up here in the references tab, let's say of the menu, and it is called Insert Axis from Sketch. So you open up the tool, and I want to revolve around this center line. And actually, it doesn't need to be a sketched line, right? It can also be a reference line. The tool won't mind. You select the line, selects the appropriate creation method, you hit apply. What it does is it puts it before the sketch in the feature tree so that it is available when you want to revolve it. So, right, we have the sketch, let's revolve it. The axis is right here, and there we go. We made a hole, we have a circlip cut out in it, right? And the cool thing about this is that this axis is parametrically tied to our sketch, right? So if I move this, further down, the entire revolve is going to move further down, still being correct because the axis has also moved because it is parametrically tied to the sketch. Super powerful stuff, super useful. I hope you liked it, and I hope I see you in the next